YouTube, what's going, guys? It's your boy OTK Vlogs back in today with another video, man. Today we're heading out back to an event that hasn't happened in a few years now. It's been a few years, honestly. We're heading back out to Beers and Gears in Charlotte. Now, it's not at the same location, sadly. It's at a new location. It's a temporary spot too, but we already know the cars are going to be good there, guaranteed. There's going to be a lot of good cars there. We're on the way there right now, and by we, I mean me and my boy Pops Vlogs are on the way there right now. We just came back from Concord Cars and Coffee. Now you guys might have seen that video already. This video is going to be right after Raleigh Cars and Coffee, so this video should be posted maybe Friday, hopefully, if it is good. We're on the way there right now. It's getting pretty hot, so I'm going to roll back down my windows, and I will see you guys all whenever we get there. Alright, y'all, we're posted up here at KFC, but we are at the event. I don't know why they picked this spot. I'm going to show you guys a lot real quick. It's really like see-through, honestly. This GTR clean like this. I remember this one from it was a 704 Exotics meet. Got a carbon hood, nice wheels, and the BBS's. This shit clean. I like this. This color's nice. Got a BMW boys along the side. Got this G8 right here. The same one from Cars and Coffee Morrisville. I know y'all remember him from the last meet. Then we got my guy J-Rods right here in the boosted 370Z. We got Sean right here in the GTR. I think this might be my guy Osaze's new car, or it might be one of these other it might be this one. Yeah, it's him. It's that one right there, I think. Because this one I see has like a upgraded intercooler. Do y'all know these events, the GTR boys do show out. So we got a whole line of them right here. This one right here is one of my favorite. Yes, sir, man. It's a green GTR. I've never seen this one before. It's a nice spec. Nice, slow for real. Reminds me of my guy Sean's plate down there. Yeah. That jet, I'm weak as hell. Nice plate. We got a 570 over here. Audi S6, RS3, nice. Two-pace spec on this. On the rotiforms. Oh, this is nice though, I ain't gonna lie. Never seen this one before. Oh, snap, look at the back. What the hell? That's crazy. I think my friend sent a video of this. I'm gonna put the video on screen right now. This dude shoots some crazy flames. NXX 5. Damn, boy. This M3 spec is pretty clean. I like that. Nice. Like dark purple. Very nasty. What you doing, bro? You goofball.
I stole someone's setup.
For an iPhone is crazy.
Hit me up on Facebook Marketplace.
How much even is that thing, bro?
It's like $300.
Jesus Christ. Got the infamous Corey Radcliffe, bro. Y'all remember him from the past Beers and Gears events. He got me a good thumbnail. He got me 50K views, man. Give it to him, man. This guy. Oh, y'all, this is the Gentani SV from California. This thing shoots big flames. You said it's twin turbo, right? It's not? Oh, okay. Yeah, it's straight piped. As y'all can see, look at the exhaust. Jesus Christ, man. Y'all, this thing, man. I don't think they're gonna rip it out today, but let's look at it right here. Yeah, y'all. SVs are my favorite out of the Aventador trim line, like I said before. Got the slow boys on the dynos. M3 up there. That's turbo right here. It's a decent spec. And then we got this Murcielago. Guys, I can't tell you when the last time I seen one of these, man. These things are just too rare. It's not a gated manual though, but it's still a Murcielago. Right, y'all, this thing, man, these things sound so good, bro. We got another car I haven't seen in a long time, the Ferrari 812, super fast. In a Rosso color, Rosso red. Then we do got this ST over here once again. In the Lizard spec. Actually, I can't even remember the last time I seen an STO. That M2 though. little bit too much, buddy. Sheesh. Like that. It's clean.
Why is his tire so bad? Oh my god.
God damn.
Jesus.
Bro, what is this? It's actually lady driven, but it's clapped to the max. Typical Charlotte spec. When the hell did he leave? That boy said,
Assalamu alaikum.
bro, y'all know how hot the sidewalk is, bro. That man is sitting on the ground.
Assalamu alaikum. Free Palestine, yo. Fuck no, baby.
Oh, it's coming this way, damn it.
I keep shaking this shit, but what's this guy?
Yeesh, that boy done got a GTR, yes
He
sir.
on the phone making money moves.
Hey.
He's a real bad man. Jamaican man.
This guy.
Bomba club, man.
Bombo clap, me pussy clap. What the hell? I thought this was a GTR. Oh my goodness. I'm about to cross the road for him. Yeah, bro, what is this? Where the fuck he come from? That boy don't care at all. That's crazy. Two people on at the same time. What you gonna do? Why just sound like that? Okay, yep, there they go.
Nice. Fucking hell!
They ain't coming through. God bless some fucking America, man.
It's a little weird, but kind of nice.
Ooh, Escalade V, what the hell? Nice. Damn, boy. That's all he can do. Damn, G-body. Wrong lane, bro. Wrong lane. Get over here. Damn, badass bike. Shit, bro. This shit made my toes curl. Honda. Yep, there we go with that. Literally. Damn, this shit's so snappy. I like that, bro. Oh boy, another minute U-turn. Woo, sheesh, he's for Honda. Damn, man, he came back. That's a W man's. I don't even know how I seen that. Wait for me. Oh man, come on, bro. You got a spoolie boy. Well, that was, you see? Exactly. Yep, he is. Pop. Rep. Oh shit!
Come on.
Oh, what the hell?
Come on, man.
Yo, that boy's a warrior, bro.
Go ahead, gaskets. Rev it!
Yeah, fool.
I love
Hey,
it.
man.
I don't love that. I don't like that at all. Me no like you. Shut up! You're right, you're right!
No, I'm trying to go see the gate.
A few minutes later.
Yes, sir! The VDR boys! Nice! This, bro, it's my favorite right here, bro. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Damn. Jesus Christ, man. I think it's stuck. Yeah. Shit. That was sick. Come on, I'm about to cross the road, boy. Uh-oh. Bruh. That'll probably be the last clip of the video, y'all. Oh, nice. Never mind, not nice.